Hey, before you watch the rest of this video, I'm just warning you there some language was used today. Some idiot tried to tell me that I couldn't film or what I was doing, and I explained to the public park and I'd rather be here. And he didn't already mad. He made some threats. He just shoved a little flag book up my ass. I say, you make any kind of threats towards me or do anything to me, you'll spend a night in jail. You'll lose all your stuff. So just a fair warning before you watch the rest of the video. But personally, the good park, St. James is a good park. But personally, there's a lot of idiots out there trying to read for the rest of us. All right, bye. Hey folks, I'm at St. James Park, San Jose, California. You can see the logo right here. We're gonna explore, talk about it. There's kind of like two sections of James, the history of it. I guess they had in 1848 it was marked as a park. Didn't really build into a park until 1860. It's around some really old, somewhat decent buildings, some new. Across the street, it used to be I guess there used to be a court building right there, but there's no marking there. If I find more, I'll put it down. Descriptions. So yeah, St. James II. I guess in 1933 there was a lynching. I guess some guy got accused. I think it was kind of like a mob accused some guy who was kidnapping and the killing of some guy in 1933. Two people got lynched. I wonder if they marked the lynching tree, or maybe the tree's still here. Maybe because trees live a very long time. So I'm gonna explore some sounds like parks and the history of it, and maybe hoping I'll piss some homeless people off. During the daytime, it's kind of like a daytime hotel for homeless people. Actually, I slept here many times as a homeless person. Some woman woke me up and gave me $10. Coming here, there's two light rail stations. One going south, one going north. They follow the path of the traffic. So we'll explore some good buildings, some old buildings around here and stuff like that. So most of the cross street, they have little concerts, up little stage, have concerts here. For a while. Bye. Well, we'll explore, talk more. It's like these little, right here, keep people from walking the light rail. So, that used to be a fountain right there. Now it's just like a little area to hang out. I think that was added in 1885. Later on, I guess it was actually a real fountain back in the day. Now it's just, they built into a deck and hangout area. So yeah, got a little path to keep people do dumb things, people, train versus the human, train always will win. So yeah, a little bit of the history of the place where you go to. San Jose History Walk, number 23. So I'll do some of these stories, talk about the history of San Jose. It's kind of awkward because some of these people get mad. They're talking to themselves and me filming them. Some go crazy. I would love to see a picture of this during when it was a real fountain and water coming out of it. It'd be kind of cool. So we're going to talk about this little platform right here. I don't know if these people don't call me filming them or not, but that's their problem. It's a public space. I'm allowed to film and talk about it, so that's their problem. So I don't give a damn anyways. It's kind of cool little Roses area. Here's a little memorial for Robert F. Kennedy. I'm not sure much history about this right here. The speech right here or something. What are you doing, bro? I'm filming. Right. I'd rather be here, public place. You threatened me, I'll call cops.
I am the cops. I'll put a name.
Yeah, I'll call. Don't call me a bitch, asshole. So I gotta deal with assholes like this, me filming. I got right to film here, dumbass. So interesting people to meet here. So Robert F. Kennedy, the murder of Kennedy. Fucking threatening. So right here, there's like a little memorial. I got an argument with some fucker over there trying to scare detective towards me. McKinney. I think McKinney came here as a visit. I gotta look up the history. I think he got assassinated, one of the presidents. But I'll look it up. Kind of a little memorial for him. I think they came and visit here. One cool little statues. When you do come here, you gotta deal with homeless people making threats, like they own the fucking place, but it's a public park, and as long as I'm not during curfew, I'm allowed to film it. Talk about the history, I'd rather be here. They own this park. You might be homeless and be crazy, that's their problem, but and across the street is the courts, the Bureau of Court, family courts. Kind of like really government area, San Jose area. Let's remember our interests conquer not complete. Yeah, I think he came here and visited one time. That's his record. I like to try to shove the funny part about that one guy over there, he tried to threaten me with a little pull up my ass. I said, you go to jail. You do anything to me, you'll spend the night in jail. I'll film it. Dumbass. So, I don't see the plaque or anything with the tree where the first guy hung. The lynching going on. So when you come to St. James Park, the best way to do is take light rail. There's parking, but meter maid. Make check your car. You got to deal with a good homeless population. A lot of crazy people talking to themselves, act like they own the place, and act like I'm in their territory. But a bunch of morons. So bathrooms, I guess there's like a little bathroom, you pay like a quarter or something, right across the church. I'm not sure I have any history about it too at all or not, but kind of unique. Across the street is looks like the post office. Unique artwork. Maybe I'll come back, film it. Some older government buildings in this section right here. I can walk around and see there's a date. So here's one of the older buildings, Superior Court. They made a big one. On the corner right there is a new one for the courts. This is one of the older buildings, I'm guessing. If you know the answer, please like and, please, comment. It kind of smells kind of bad here too. So the truth. Dumbass. So we're going to visit the kitty side. So come to this park, personally, you gotta deal with a lot of homeless people bugging you or talking to themselves. I hope they keep themselves. Most of them do keep themselves. But you have the right to come here, have a picnic, enjoy it. Public space. Nobody fucking tells me where I can or. This is like the kitty side, other side of the park. These people got probably filming, that's their fucking problem because I'd rather film here, so see what happens. We're gonna film, we'll talk about the other side park out across the street, talk about Memorial thing over there. So yeah, there's good some restaurants nearby, walking distance. This park. Here's a little memorial of Morris McGrady. I guess he served during the Civil War and the Mexican-American War. I guess his leadership, I couldn't help develop the San Jose area, but if I know more about his history, maybe I'll talk about this guy's history later YouTube on my channel. Yeah, he lived from 1815 to 1886. A little decade of his leadership in this area, war hero, I guess. But I don't know much about his history. If you know much of his history, please put in the comment area. Well, we're going to explore Morris Park. Let's see if these guys will start shipping me or not, or fucking morons. So here's one of the bathrooms. I guess it's free. Yeah, it's free access. But you hear stories about hookers and people do heroin, drugs inside. So the odds of it being free is very limited. I want to know how long these trees been here. Maybe these trees been here since the beginning. This is kind of a kitty park, close to the public because of what's going on, the epidemic thing going on. I don't know. If I find more history about the park, that'd be a different YouTube video. But interesting. I don't see any mortals on this side of the park. I guess that side on the left-hand side is more like old fashion, more details. But it's kind of cool place to take your kids. Those must be attended by children. Very bad. Yeah, so I'm doing craziness. This is, I guess, the dark park of it was added. I remember one time they had a stage over here for a concert. I wasn't sure it was paid. Little workout area across the street. Here, murals, people just get local artists something to do. Kind of cool. Yeah, okay. I had to put the eyeball in the thing right there. A little workout area. Plus, of course, people are not too happy with going to the quarantine thing. I got my civil rights. Well, we're trying to, Debbie, we're happy. We're trying to keep them from dying. So yeah, cool little big kind of looking church. Across the street, some other buildings. But that's kind of cool architecture. I'll across the street take a closer look at architecture work on that building over there.